Alright, what's going on, everybody? So it's winter time, and I've come in possession of this Tecumseh Snow King snowblower here, and I know nothing about it. I have no documentation, no anything. So I don't know when the last time the oil was changed, but just judging by the plug, it's looking like it's been a long time. There's just a ton of carbon buildup and everything else. So today we're going to see what we can do to get this thing running properly. It should just need a tune-up and an oil change, but first I got to figure out what kind of oil and spark plug it actually needs. Alright, so I've done some digging, and this company definitely does not like people buying other oils aside from their own name brand, and that's why they really didn't want to give up what kind of oil it is. It's a 5W30, and that's for the model 932101. So I don't have any 5-weight laying around. I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some. I just noticed. So we're going to the gas station before we go to the other parts store. Oh hey. What's up, dog? Okay, so we're back out here at the snowblower. This is the plug I got. It's a Champion copper. That's exactly what you should be putting in a snowblower of this era, so go ahead and install that. So you're probably wondering what this mess is right here. Well, this is going to be the left side of your engine. And there's a rod that comes out, and at the end there's a bolt, and you take it off, and that's how the oil drains out. I'm guessing this hasn't been changed in a long time, though, because it's so stuck on there. The bolt's so stuck on there, it's actually moving the entire rod and removing it from the engine. And what I had to do to get some extra grip with these clamps over here was to actually put a rubber glove in it to give it some extra grip so it wouldn't free spin. So that's just going to be a warning for anybody that has very few tools. You may want to get one of these at the store, because this might happen to you. This could have been from sitting, but you never know. That was the blackest oil I've ever seen, and it came out like jello. I have no idea how old the oil is in this thing. Wow. Okay, I apologize for some of the road noise and everything. The carriage house is right on the edge of the road. This is the oil I'm going to be using, 5-weight 30, mobile, synthetic. They don't really tell me how much oil to put in it, so I'm going to put little by little in at a time and just check the dipstick. Well, I would have liked to have added some seafoam in there, since I saw all that buildup on the plug, but it's going to have to be done through the carburetor at another time, because I just don't have any laying around on hand. Alright, I don't know how well you can see that, but it's full. Took almost a quart, not quite. There's still some in the bottle. Well, all in all, did pretty well. Definitely needs a carb rebuild. It's a little low on power, but hope you learned something today. Under the table.
You got some snow, but I don't think it's too deep to walk.